This is Jim Emter, Van Ahn Co, Alexandria, Minnesota, with the closing grain and livestock comments for April 11th, 2018. Corn down 1 to 2 1/4 today. Beans down 1 to 2 1/4. Chicago wheat down 3 to 4 3/4. Minneapolis wheat up 2 1/2 in the front, down 3 1/2 in the back. Kansas City wheat down 3 to 5. So a little bit weaker day today. Not much has changed. The forecast still calling for heavy rain and snow across much of South Dakota, central Minnesota, down into southern Minnesota, northern Iowa, and then it progresses eastward through Wisconsin, northern Illinois, and on. So we still got that concern yet. Maybe temperatures have warmed a little bit in the forecast there for the latter part and middle part of next week, but we're still a ways off, and we kind of need those temperatures to get to normal here in a heck of a hurry if we're going to have a shot to get late April, early May type planting. Otherwise, we continue to push that back. Other factors here, just a lot of uncertainty with now Syria taking some headlines and concerns over maybe a U.S. Attack there in retaliation to a chemical attack Syria had. So we just got a lot of uncertainty, some rhetoric behind the scenes that China and the U.S. are maybe not getting to the degree of conversation they want to, either side. So that brings some concerns. But what we do have here, we've got Argentina buying some beans for 18-19. That's what's encouraged this bean market to step up. But then you go outside and you realize, hey, more bean acres are going to get planted. So really a tug of war right now, a real lack of direction. In my opinion, you're looking at circumstance where this corn and spring wheat market can still extend here a bit more versus soybeans. So we look for that trend to kind of carry over the next 2 weeks or so. But, you know, a lot of uncertainty. So just kind of keep your whole cards close, stick with the seasonal selling patterns, and realize the price counts, 402, and then again at 428 in corn. Spring wheat kind of into this 640 to 650 area, and then up to about 681. And for beans, we're in this 1052 to 1082 area, and we think that's going to be a stiff resistance point for beans. So be doing your marketing along the way. Feeder cattle today steadied up 45, live cattle mixed anywhere from up 30 to down 52.5, and the hog market down 20 to up 72.5. So a real mixed bag here today. It feels like Groundhog's Day over and over again. Feeder cattle, live cattle, we seem to start the day higher and then fade right back to about the levels we started at, and that's occurred the last 3 days. By the way, if anybody finds that groundhog from this year, let us know. Hunting season's open. This has been Jim Emter, Van Ahn Co, Alexandria, Minnesota. Traded in futures and options involves risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is a solicitation. Have a great afternoon.